Hello, my name is Yaroslav Pankowski and I'm a senior consultant at BDO Canada LLP. Today, we are going to speak about 10 useful links to learn Dynamics 365 Business Central faster. And we are going to focus on the cloud version of the application. So, what are the 10 links? Here they are in front of you, and I have arranged them in such a way that the top one may be of the most use and so on till 10. But of course, this may be different depending on each user who is going to refer to these links, and we are going to attend to each link briefly. So the top one is a link to the customer source, and on the customer source there are some free online courses. These courses are available to all customers who work with partners such as BDO. So if you're a BDO client and BDO specialists are preparing the system for you, then these courses are available to you for free 24/7. Let's navigate to this link. Here it is. This is the Learning Academy, e-learning as Microsoft puts it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to all the courses. And here I can filter it further by Dynamics products. And then I can filter it further by Dynamics 365 as well as Dynamics Business, but Dynamics 365 Business to be more precise. And I can see that, for example, the top one is already of interest. So it's application setup in Microsoft Dynamics 365, Business Central, and so on. You can browse through all the courses, find your favorite ones, and even come up with plans for your new employees who are expected to take these courses to be able to be efficient in the system. So that's number one, and I believe this is one of the most useful ones because you don't have to go through all the courses unless this is a new employee's task, but you can refer to a particular topic you're interested in, and this will give you a brief video, for example, on how to create and post sales invoice and so on. So at this point, I'm going to return to the slide. And the second link is to the a document which I call a guide, and this is document on the official Microsoft website. So let's click on it. All right, so this is a detailed description of all that you can do in the system. You can easily search for particular information you need, or you can even download this document in PDF and store it on your computer and to be able to search it offline and to use the information that is available here. So for example, if I want to search for sales invoice, I can easily do so. This is the first available option. I can click on it, and this is a hyperlink, so I will navigate there. So that was number two, and the link that is on the third position is Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central blog. Let's click on it. So here is the website, and this is where you can get most up-to-date posts on the product. And you can see that Microsoft specialists post here, and there are tags. So if you're looking, for example, for something in connection with mobile, you can click on this tag and navigate to those. So for example, if I click on this tag, I can see that based on this tag, I have two posts that appear on the screen. So this is probably a roadmap, a little bit more of general information about the product, and similar seems to be the second one. So I'll go back to the slide. So that was number three, and number four is Forum. So Forum is a community of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central users and implementers, partners, as well as Microsoft workers as well, so Microsoft specialists. Let's click on it. Again, this is an official Microsoft website, and this can be a useful resource if you're looking for a particular solution, if you want to maybe exchange your experiences, or maybe if you're looking for somebody else's expertise, maybe if you have a few options as to how you would like to proceed with the setup of your application and would like to hear some opinions from other companies who have implemented similar solutions. So this can be of use. So you can see there are a few topics. So we have, for example, on the very top, that's been verified, and so on. I'm going to return to the slide. So the next post is to Business Central user group and Nav user group. Let's click on this link. So what is this? This is a community, again, a community of users. And here you can post a question. You can, for example, post some useful information to other users. Again, this is a place where partners such as BDO Canada LLP and users get together, they exchange information, they ask questions. You can already search for what is available, for example, what is available about this topic in general, perhaps, and you can see what is available, or you can post your own question if you would like to, or you can post perhaps an answer. You can also subscribe to receive emails regularly, and once your question is answered, you will be notified. So quite a convenient way of exchanging information. So the next link, number 6, is to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central documentation. We have already seen a specific link to the guide, so also something very similar. You can see a little bit more generic options here, and you can select what is of interest to you. So you can see some training classes available, so you can go to the support, and so on and so forth. So the next link is about D365 Business Central. So it's more, perhaps more of use to those people who are looking for the information about the product. And this is the place where Microsoft provides some general information. You can see that a link to a free trial version is available. So video introduction to the product is posted here too. And you can visit this page from time to time for the updates. So the next link is the place where you can post your ideas. So you can suggest ideas to Microsoft, for example, or you can vote. Maybe somebody has already asked a question, so suggested such an idea that you also have, and you would like to see this feature implemented in Business Central. So this is the place where you can go, and your idea can be picked up and implemented. So this is how it looks like. And you can sort it in different ways. You can sort it by links here, and you can see that Dynamics 365 is the biggest group. So that's financial and operations. So different topics. So Business Central has quite a substantial number of posts, so number of ideas too. So let's see what's next. So the next link is to App Store. This is a very useful resource. Let's say you have already set up your system, and you are already using, but maybe you need a new function that is not available, or maybe you have an industry-specific requirements that you know can be of some benefit to your business. So in that case, it is worth visiting this page. So in this page, you can see what apps, so what additional applications or extensions are available. So for example, Expensify is a good example. So what if you would like to be able to process expenses in Business Central in a more efficient way? So in that case, this extension can come in handy. Now, this extension in particular come typically pre-installed with the application, but there are a number of other applications that are available from the store. Some of them are free, but others have a subscription fee. Lastly, link number 10 is to the CustomerSource. We have already visited one of the places on CustomerSource. Now, I would like to draw your attention to a more general website. Again, this website is available to users, to customers, so such as, for example, customers who work with BDO. And if BDO is your partner, you'll have a full access to the website. Now, the way that I'm accessing right now, so I'm not logged in, you can see it by this corner. So otherwise, my email or my name would appear there. But even now, you can see that a few options are available. And if I log in, my login is very easy because I have accessed this page before. So now you can see that I have logged in. And now I can see that such a variety of topics are and resources are available. So e-learning, this is where you can see your courses as we have seen at the beginning, and also you can see a range of other available topics. So, and this is definitely an advantage, and as I have mentioned before, this website will be available to you for free. So to sum this up, this brief video and this post have addressed the topic of some of the useful links that can help you learn Business Central faster, so in a more efficient way. In particular, it has addressed such topic as where to get access to free online courses that are available 24/7 to customers so who use the application. And if you still have any questions, please visit our support page. And if you, for example, need some training by a specialist, whether on site or through a remote session, BDO specialists can help you. So our phone number for this will be 1-844-846-2133. You can also send us an email, and you can use other ways of contacting BDO. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for reading this post.